Welcome back to the channel. It's Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and today we're heading out and we got a few jobs on the schedule. It's a busy day. It's about 3 to 3.5 loads. I'm picking up the Julio.
Hi guys.
Make sure you smash that like button and let's get this money.
Hey Matt, so what's the tip of the day today?
The tip of the day is, are you tired of having swamp ass while you're picking up trash? I know I am, and I've tried everything. And the only thing that works great is Gold Bond. It's Sonoma Strong Hauling certified. The only side effect is, if you put too much on, it looks like your asshole's been sniffing cocaine all day.
Tip of the day, don't put too much of that on your ass.
Whatever. So how we got this job was from Facebook from a realtor. So here's the first part of the job, is all this stuff right here. And the Julio does not look happy today. He looks pretty damn sad. And this is only part of the job. Julio, how much trash do we have here today?
There's a lot.
Let's show them over here in the backyard, the other part. This doesn't go. Someone else is picking this up. The contractor is. But we got some more trash in the backyard. And we got some more stuff at the neighbor's house over there. So this is what we'll tackle first. We'll tackle this pile right here. And check it out, it's a little maze. Don't slip and fall and break your nuts. This is the pile we gotta grab first, Julio.
Okay.
So, are you ready?
It's gonna be a lot of wood, but let's get this done.
Let's do it.
Done. Easy money, baby. You got this.
Now, how we stay so busy is the triple R's. What is triple R? Repeat customers, reviews, and referrals. If you're not getting those, you're not doing it right. So guess what? It's been 10 minutes, and guess what the Julio said? He says he has a stomach ache. What the hell,
I think
Julio?
I gotta go home. I don't feel good.
Whatever. Now I'm gonna let you guys know why the Julio is my favorite Mexican. Do you guys see that right there? It's that smile he has. That's why he's my favorite. It don't matter what the job is. He's always ready to work. So how you feeling now, Julio? You still feel sick or what?
Nah. Nah.
You sure?
Feel good.
All right. I was gonna say I shouldn't buy you lunch or coffee if you don't feel good.
I want both.
Whatever. So the first pile is done. Now it's on to the next part. So here's the pile from hell number 2. And we're about almost halfway loaded up. And we got all this to get in there. How many loads do you think we got here, Julio?
I say 3.
3?
I say 3.
You're a smart man.
It looks like it just the way that, because this barrel's probably gonna fill up a lot, and then I just feel this is probably gonna be 3.
This is the first time ever I'm gonna agree with you. So the first load is complete, and Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
I gotta say 110. It feels like a heavy load back there.
I'm gonna say 115,
No.
and let's find out what happens.
Hey, let's get it. Let's see who wins this one.
You know who's gonna win, right? Your boy's gonna win.
110. We gotta get it.
Let's find out. So just like that, it was 1,400 pounds at $92.50. Julio, you beat me. You're fired. Hell no.
If you guys like these videos, make sure you guys smash that like button and give us thumbs up.
So we are back for round number 2, and all this stuff needs to go. And what do you think, Julio? You ready or what?
Yeah, let's bust it out. ready. We still got another load, I think, on the other side too. So I think we'll make it work though.
Oh, we definitely gonna make it work.
We're gonna make it work.
So we're taking everything but the concrete. So all the concrete we'll put to the side, and that's something we will not take. Some junk haulers do, but we don't. We stick to the easy stuff. So what do you guys think? I'm gonna give the Julio 20 bucks if he can bend that piece of rebar right there and fit it into the dump truck. What do you think? Come on, Julio. Get it. Put that beam power in there. Come on now.
Damn, how the hell do you get? All right, hold on.
Look at him. Oh, he's getting it. 20 bucks on the line.
Hey, you make this thing look hella easy.
I would have bended it more over here though, because now you got to bend it again to make it fit.
Make it fit?
Yeah, come on. Want me to do it?
I can't.
You want to give up 20 bucks right now or what?
No, I can do it.
You can do it?
I think I can do it.
I think he really wants to smoke some weed later on. That's why he needs that 20. Come on now, get it. He's gonna learn today.
God damn. No, I can't do it.
You can't do it?
Nah, fuck, man. It seems a lot harder than what I fucking wanted. You made it look hella easy.
I'll show you how to do it real quick.
God
He lost $20.
God damn.
So just like that, load 2 is done. And Julio, what's rule number 478 in the trash business?
Make sure whenever you're coming back to the car, never walk out empty-handed. Always have something in your hand.
Dude, you're getting it. You are getting it. But anyways, what's your prediction of the dump fee? That's a real question.
I say 100.
A hundo?
100.
I'm gonna say $97.
Oh, $3 lower?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like the price is right.
Gotta hit it right on point.
So let's see what happens. So it came out to 1,900 pounds at $126. Julio, are you paying the people at the dumps to win every single time? What the hell?
2 out of 2 right now.
Yeah, it ain't gonna happen a third time. Believe that. So we are back for round number 3, and all this trash goes right here. This big old stump goes, and all this stuff right here goes. And also these wine barrels. And then we have another pile over there, Julio. You putting in work today.
Oh, dude, we're getting this money today and putting in the work. It's all good.
It's all good. Let's get it. Now, what do you guys see wrong with this picture right here? Right here. Don't do stuff half-ass. Julio, what the hell?
Oh, sorry.
And I thought today he was gonna get a raise. Oh, hell no.
If we were doing that by hand, break our backs.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Gotta love the lift gate.
Many of you had heard that the Haulers Ball has been canceled, but don't worry, we'll have a new date set pretty soon and you'll be the first to know.
Now, these are actually resellable, but we don't have time for that today. We gotta hit the dumps up many times. And Julio, unless you wanna bring it to your house.
Resell them? Hey. Makes me what, $200-300 extra? Whatever, might as well.
So we done over here. We did that in about what, 2.5 loads.
Still got another load, I feel like.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so we're on the third job, or it's the same job but the third load. What goes is all this stuff over here that you see right here. Pretty much everything, but the only thing that doesn't go is the chemicals, the paints. We leave that all here. We're gonna separate it, put it up to the side, and everything else we're gonna start taking it out. We might have to come back for another half load though, I'm thinking.
Did you just say we might have to come back? Look at this.
We're not gonna have.
We gotta come back. There's no possible way.
There's no way we're gonna fit another.
Yeah, the damn Julio's trying to downplay it like a customer. Oh hell no, we're not fitting all that in there, Julio.
No, we're gonna come back. So
We're gonna definitely come back.
Probably gonna be like almost 3.5, 4 loads, I think then.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. I was way off. I thought it was only 2, but it's about 4.
You're learning every day.
Right?
The Julio said we get all this in one load right now. Smoking crack. Shit. All right.
There's no way.
No way. So just like that, the third load is complete, and Julio says he's gonna eat good tonight. He's going home, he's gonna buy some lamb and eat some mint jelly with the lamb.
Lamb sounds good right now. I have never tried it. I want to try it. If you guys have ever tried it out there, let me know what you guys think of it.
They're
I've never
hella
tried it.
cute, they taste hella good, and especially with some mint jelly. You'll feel
Mint
fancy as hell.
All right, mint jelly.
Mint jelly, it's the green stuff. So,
Okay.
what's your prediction of the dump fee? See if you can win 3 times in a row. I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna say 118.
I say 112.
112?
112.
And what do you guys think out there? Leave it in the comments down below. So guess who won again?
3 times, baby.
I cannot believe it. It came out to $100, Julio.
$12 off.
How do you feel today?
I feel great. I'm 3 for 3.
So we're heading back for the last load, and it ain't gonna happen again. I guarantee that.
If I get 4 for 4, it'll be a good day.
Whatever. So we are back for round number 4, and we just ate a burrito, and I feel like $100 now, Julio. Not a million, but 100. And this is what we're dealing with. You ready or what?
Yeah, let's kill the rest of this. Get it done with.
Let's do it.
Wiped out.
So just like that, we are done for the day. And how do you feel?
First time, I actually feel wiped out today for the first time in a while.
So Julio, what's your prediction?
I say 130.
130. I'm gonna say 138, and let's see what happens.
Oh.
So just like that, we're done for the day, and guess what? I whooped the Julio's ass finally.
I'm 3 for 4 for today. Freaking sucks. I was trying to be 4 for 4, like Tom Brady, never lose. But sometimes you gotta be a loser, man.
Doesn't he look like a Dirty Sanchez? Look at him real quick. If
Get
you know who Dirty Sanchez is, does he look like Dirty Sanchez?
Get my good side.
So hopefully you guys learned something from this video. If not, hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next video. And Julio, what do you want them to do?
Subscribe, give you guys likes, and keep telling us that we want more funny videos out there so we can keep making more videos.